Hello, coffee lovers. Today we're diving into the world of espresso with the De'Longhi Dedica EC680M, a sleek and compact espresso, coffee, and cappuccino maker. Let's find out if this Italian masterpiece is the right fit for your home barista dreams. First off, the design. The Dedica EC680M stands out with its stunning Italian design. At just 6 inches wide, it's remarkably slim, bringing a touch of minimalist chic to your kitchen. The machine's stainless steel finish not only looks elegant but also adds a durable quality. And those illuminated buttons on the control panel? They're not just stylish, they make using the machine incredibly intuitive. Now, let's talk performance. The Dedica features a high-performance thermoblock heating system. And believe me when I say, the 15-bar professional pressure truly makes a difference. Each espresso shot comes out with a perfect crema, testament to the quality you can achieve. Whether you're an espresso purist or a latte lover, the adjustable controls allow you to tweak your drink to your personal taste. For those of you who love a good cappuccino or latte, the manual milk frother is a game changer. It's powerful and easy to use, creating that rich, creamy froth for perfectly textured drinks. It's quite satisfying watching the milk transform into a silky smooth froth, ready for your coffee. Cleanup is often a deal breaker with coffee machines, but not with the Dedica. The removable water tank and drip tray make it super easy to clean. And for added convenience, many of the parts are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Let's sum it up. The De'Longhi Dedica EC680M impresses with its elegant design, professional-grade performance, and user-friendly features. It's compact, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen, big or small. The manual frother adds a hands-on feel to your coffee making, ideal for those who enjoy the process as much as the drink itself. And its ease of cleaning is a big plus, making maintenance a breeze. So, is it worth your investment? If you're looking for a compact, stylish, and versatile espresso machine that gives you control over your coffee and looks great in your kitchen, then yes, the De'Longhi Dedica EC680M could be the perfect choice for you. It's a little slice of Italy, right in your home, ready to brew that perfect cup every time. Thanks for watching. Check in the description for the latest price. Until next time, keep brewing.